Okay, so what we're going to do today is to create a universal Google Analytics, which will be sundowned in July of 2023. Tracking will still take place. It's just the support won't be there.
Right.
All of Google's efforts are now going to be concentrated into GA4, which is more results and report orientated.
Okay.
You will still get a certain amount of data that looks the same as in Google Analytics Universal. But I've seen lots of murmurings online of upset SEOs that, for example, the hits to the website aren't correlating the exact figure between the two reporting platforms.
Right.
So don't feel as though it's all going to be smooth sailing, because I know that Google are still ironing stuff out as we speak.
Gotcha.
So what I'm going to do, even though we're sundowning, I'm going to create you both a GA universal plus also the GA4 as well. So if you want to do new account name, if you want to call it, I don't know, well, just Puppy Tails, I guess.
Yeah, that seems sensible.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Let's have a little look at the options here, because we need to take this a little bit step by step. Okay. Google Pro. So it's up to you whether you want to share your data with Google products and services, but I'm quite happy where you are at the minute if you just want to hit next at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you click advanced options for me there on screen? It's just an inch up. Yeah. So I want you to select that one there, which is grayed out, create a universal analytics property. It's on the right-hand side. It's a little kind of like slidey thing. You've got it. Okay, so at the top, can you create just give it another name if you want to call it, you could call it Puppy Tails Dual. It's just a suggestion. You can call it 23 or new or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
A British pound, we're all good with that one. HTTPS. Yeah. So at the bottom, you've got a yellow thing there. Look, sorry, red.
Yeah.
Can you paste in your domain there? HTTPS. Okay. And yeah, we're good because that's both.
Yeah.
So hit the blue next at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I just do the top selection, small, and then measure. That one, education, because that's classed as training.
Yeah. Is there an education one? Oh, we've got pets and animals.
Oh, pets and animals, that'll do.
That'll do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me. I don't know. How do I don't know.
Second one, optimize my site.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then create. And then, yes, I do accept. Right, marvelous. So where we are now.
Oh.
Yeah, don't have to worry about that. This is all stuff for later.
Don't need to worry about any of this.
No, we can do all the stuff. I don't know this stuff yet. I've literally got a Udemy course that I've started to watch for Google Tag Manager.
Right.
I did do all of the lessons when it first came about 5 or 6 years ago. But none of my clients were using it. And so I've not needed to brush up.
Yeah.
So if you just click that one for me. What I'm going to do, I'm just trying to figure out where we are. Can you scroll to the bottom of that screen for me, please? And it isn't there. It's just having that pause. Okay. So any way that you can kill that screen and just go back? There you go. Right. Okay. So Puppy Tails, and now we're in GA4. This one, if you select it where it says no data received, if you just click that with your mouse, the actual bar, that's it.
Yeah.
I just want to see which part I'm in. And then I think that's the one I've just been in. So
yeah, that was the one.
You can kill that one again. And on the left-hand menu, can you scroll all the way down? There's something that's, I know it's hidden at the bottom somewhere. There you go. Search console links, you're there. That's it. So click the blue link. And then choose accounts, because obviously you've got a couple in there. So we are Puppy Tails. No, we're not paws off, we're in Puppy Tails. That's it. And then confirm in the top right. And then next. this should say select. I don't know if it's going to say all website data. Oh yeah, choose. Yeah. And then next. And then just submit. Beautiful. I'm just going to see if we can do the same thing with universal analytics. So can you, with your mouse, can you click where it says GA4 to drop down? See if we can find the universal one, Puppy Tails. Puppy Tails 2023. Yes, it's the top one there.
This one.
Yeah. And then select again, then open. Admin again, girl, bottom left hand.
Oh yeah.
And then it's the middle menu setting when it's there. Yeah, just loading up. And I want you to click the second selection there, property settings. Yep. And then scroll right down to the bottom. You're looking for a grayed out button. It's easy to miss. Search console or just search console. That's the fella. Yeah. And then click add. And then drop down to Puppy Tails. And then continue. And then associate. Absolutely marvelous. That is really good. Yeah. So